Hello, everybody, and welcome to week 5 of our art class. It is so great to see you and know that I miss you so very much each and every single day. Now, what we're going to do this week is work on forms. When you go over to your teams right here and you go to your grade level, let's say I'm in 3rd grade, and I go down to week 5 form. Inside of this team here, you're going to see a post that says Form Assignment Information Part 2, which means if you scroll up, there is a Part 1. And the Part 1 is where our full assignment is. So I want you to click on See More for Form Assignment Information Part 1. Now this says, let's create abstract art with forms. Hi everyone, it's hard to believe we're already on week 5 of online school. I miss you all more and more every day. With that said, let's get into this week's lesson. I would like for you all to create a piece of abstract art using 3D forms. I know that all sounds very complicated, but I promise you it's a lot more simple than it seems. So first, let's learn a little bit about what a 3D form is. What is a form anyways? A form is any 3D object depicted in a work of art. There are 2 kinds of forms. We have geometric forms and organic forms. Now, geometric forms are spheres, cubes, pyramids, cones, and cylinders. A circle becomes a sphere when it's in 3 dimensions. So any kind of ball that you have is a sphere, and that's a 3-dimensional circle. A square becomes a cube in 3 dimensions. So this here, if you're looking at it from just one view, it looks like a square. But if you look at it in 3 dimensions, this is a cube. Now, a triangle becomes a pyramid, or it can become a cone if it's all the way around. Pyramid is when there are different sides to it. So those are some geometric forms. There are also organic forms that are free-flowing, curvy, sinewy, and not as symmetrical or easily measurable or named. They most often occur in nature, as in the shapes of flowers, leaves, branches, puddles, clouds, animals, and people. So here is a short 3-minute video that can help you to learn about forms. Now when I click on that, it's going to pop up right over here. We can watch that together.
These paintings are all examples of the genre of art called trompe-l'oeil. Translated from French, trompe-l'oeil literally means fools the eye. It's a style of art that makes you question if what you're seeing is real. It's this illusion of depth that artists create, which tricks our eyes. When shapes get this 3rd dimension of depth, they become forms. Form is one of the 7 elements of art, along with line, shape, texture, value, space, and color. When given form, circles become spheres, squares become cubes, triangles become cones or pyramids. Form takes up space in either a real or implied way. In paintings and drawings, for instance, form is implied because it's an illusion of 3 dimensions. With sculpture, on the other hand, form is real because it takes up 3-dimensional space. Visual artists use light and shadow effects to create the illusion of 3-dimensional form. A strong sense of form can also be created by increasing contrast between highlights and shadow areas. Street artist Banksy uses this technique a lot. Notice how these human forms are made up of only white, black, and 1 shade of gray. Sometimes form can even be created by an artist's use of color.
Okay, so my recording is going to stop soon, and I will continue it in a part 2. So I will see you guys in part 2 of this video. Bye-bye.